Tracker extension. This is used to track different events or things that happen during the downtime or tasks for the party or individual players. So if you open up the party sheet, you'll see a new tab here, and this works for all rule sets. So I'm showing you right now in Pathfinder. It works in 5e and all the other ones that I've tested so far. So you'll see a downtime tab in the party sheet, and you can click on Track New Task. And you can define a character that this task relates to, or you can just be like party, for everything. And let's say the party's trying to build a keep, and maybe you've determined that it's going to take, 100 days, and it's going to take 50,000 gold or whatever. All right, so you can here, and then it'll add something to track. Every time you go back to the party sheet, everyone will be able to see it here, and you can indicate time that has been spent on this if you're tracking time. You can add money to how much money has been spent. You see the progress that's been going on for this. You can also, let's get a new one here for maybe making a magic item. Let's say I got a character here named Mad Nomad. Craft magic staff. It's going to take 3 successful checks that are done over whatever, however much time. Costs 1,000 gold. And maybe during one session, the person makes a check, and weeks later you come back to it, can indicate it was a failure. This just gives you a way to track it. You can also add notes. Now, when you click on the notes, they kind of hide behind here. I'm sure I'll figure that out eventually, but I couldn't really get that working. So you could add notes related to the task, like maybe there are certain steps that need to be done for this task as well. Obtain magic eyeball or whatever. Right, and you can say done, and so you can use it for list-based sort of things that are needed as well. And if you want to have some tasks that are hidden from the players, you can do that as well. If you hide from other players, the other players won't be able to see this task. If it's for one character, they'll be able to see it. So if you want something that's hidden from everyone, you just do, DM or whatever you want to call it. And then you can say hide from players and whatever, certain number of failures. So yeah, it's and if the list goes on, you can scroll and have a bunch of these things here. Pretty simple, just meant to help organize things, and hopefully you'll find it useful. Thanks.